Welcome back, everyone. The lovely Miss Michelle joins us for this feature.
Hello everyone.
We're looking at a site I featured a while ago. This is South of Proctor in a region of Mars called Noachis Terra. There's a couple of new anomalies that I picked up while I was going through these images using Gigapixel AI. So all these new close-ups were produced using Gigapixel AI. The ROS photograph in this one is called USGS Dune database entry number 0284-520. It was acquired on the 10th of September 2011 at 25.3 centimeters per pixel resolution. I'll be showing you images cropped from this JP2 black and white map projected file. Quite a huge one, 861 megabytes in size. There's a look at the strange dune field that NASA photographed in this region, and the anomalies are some of these white objects that are scattered about the site. Located sort of in the middle of Noachis Terra, we have Proctor, and the site is just down to the south. Over here, folks, at approximately 52 degrees 7 minutes south, 28 degrees 31 minutes east. So let's zoom in on the first item, and as always you can use the scale indicator to give you an approximate idea of how large these anomalies are. So this is about 10 meters across. It's got this nice symmetrical shape to it. Check this out, folks. Looks like there could be an edge on this thing, like a bevel, and then the part in the center that we see so often on Mars. And then that strange item, it looks like 4 slabs or blocks that are tightly packed together. A small gap in between. Check this out. Let's go up close and probably walk in here. Enough space to go through there, folks. But the 90-degree angles here and these straight edges parallel with each other. This looks very artificial indeed. Check out the rounded part here. And then this rather odd part on the top. You've got a conical feature on this one block as well. Looks almost like a handle, you could say. And then we'll zoom in on this item. Rather weird as well. Got like layers to it. Check out the rectangular part here. Rounded part. 2 protrusions on it. A very weird concentric circle design here in the center. This is also offset slightly from the piece underneath it. Also looked rather strange. Could be natural, but it looks beautiful. So I thought I'd throw it in there again. And then the smaller part there, about 8 meters across. And it looks like this one's got a almost square hole on the inside, also very symmetrical in shape, like a rounded part and then straight on the one side, very similar to the one I showed first. This item, it's about 10 meters across, and a nice rounded design to it, nice edge, well-defined edge. And then a semicircular hollowed out part on the top. Looks like something inside that opening. And then this rather oddball, check this out, about 8 meters across. And this here, this looks very artificial. Uniformity in the width of this one side. Also, it looks like there's something on the inside of that possible opening or hole. Right, we're in Google Earth Mars, zooming down to Noachis Terra, and zoom out a bit. Proctor is located here to the north, and I'd say about 300 kilometers south we have this site. So have a look at the anomalies as I featured them when I used PhotoZoom Pro the first time. And let's have a look at them now. Very high detail. And then for good measure, let's have a look at some of the anomalies at a site about 151 kilometers to the west. This is where I found that strange item that looks almost like a Quimbaya jet design. That's about 20 meters across. And then lots of these objects that look like sheet metal or plates stacked on top of one another. It's like a disc shape underneath this one. There's also these other really strange items that I found there. Nice rectangular part, the opening there on the inside. Cool block, another hole in it. So get this strange pattern. Then this part on the inside. Looks almost like a jaw that interlocks. Cool slot in this piece. Go down to the site to the south. So again, it looks like a piece of sheet metal bent up, and this looks almost like a machine part. It's another one of those discs with 3 smaller items on it in a row. See if I can show you that again. Lots of blocks. And these are huge, folks. They look small when you look at them in perspective, but they're actually 10 meters or longer. They compare very favorably to megalithic blocks here on Earth. Let's see, there's that other disc with the 3 items in a row. Greetings from the both of us.
Goodbye, everyone.
I hope you're all well. Take care. We'll see you in the next one soon. Bye for now.